Hello everyone, let me share an amazing news with you. We are launching a UPSC EPFO EO and APFC batch. This is a complete course batch for your 2025 examination. This will be completely in English. So we are offering here live classes plus the recorded videos. You will be getting 150 live sessions covering history, culture, economy, industrial relations, labor laws, social security, accounting, auditing and statistics. 300 plus video lectures will also be there covering general math, English, mental ability, computer science, polity, insurance, current affairs and whatnot. 24/7 access you will be getting to the recorded videos of all the classes for your revision purpose. If I talk about current affairs coverage, you will be getting weekly and monthly current affairs coverage. PIB analysis will also be included lectures on a weekly basis. If I talk about notes, then crisp notes for complete syllabus, downloadable monthly magazines for PIB schemes and reports. All the classes will be coming with downloadable PDFs here. And if I talk about mock test, you will be getting 20 full-length mock tests for your EPFO, EO, and APFC in the latest pattern. 45 sectional test for your examination. The learning will be completely in English mode and the validity is till your exam gets concluded. So I invite you all to join this course. Thank you so much.